Hey, if you want to connect OnePlus 13 into your car by using cable, first of all, you will have to start by opening Google Play Store on your OnePlus 13 and be sure that you have the latest version of Android Auto. So instead of the uninstall button, probably you'll get update button. Next, when you update Android Auto, you will have to connect cable into your OnePlus 13. So in my case, I'm using double USB-C port. So let's connect right now. There we go. And this second end of the cable you will have to connect into the compatible port into your car. So in my case I've got double USB-C port, but sometimes you also have USB-A, so it actually depends of your car. And as you can see right now on our phone, it actually start charging, but here we have message, so we have to click OK, and now we are connecting. And as you can see, it's finished right now. We are successfully connected. Contacts are imported, and now when you click right here on this button, you will be redirected into Android Auto layout. When you click right here, you can also adjust and manage all apps that you have on your Android Auto. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.